If you're running a service-based business, maybe you're a plumber, HVAC tech, lawyer, home cleaner, pest control company, roofer, you probably ask yourself, should I be running Google ads or should I be running Google local service ads? And the truth is, both have their place, but for most local service businesses, Google local service ads will give you better ROI, a higher quality lead, and far less wasted ad spend than traditional Google ads. Let me break down why, and I'll share some real world examples so you can see exactly how this plays out. So reason number one, how you pay is completely different. With Google ads, you're paying per click. So that means if someone clicks your ad, you're charged, even if they take a simple quick look and then bounce from your site. You can spend hundreds of dollars on clicks that never turn into a single phone call. With Google local service ads, you only pay per lead. Even if you get a spam lead or someone who clearly isn't a good fit, you can dispute the lead and often get a credit back. What this means is that your money is going directly toward people who actually want your services. So reason number two is because there's targeting that makes sense for local businesses with Google local service ads. Google local service ads only show up for people searching for exactly what you offer in your specific area. So there's no wasting budget on random searches. Plus, your business gets the Google Guaranteed badge, which is that green check mark that you've probably seen before at the top of Google. That little badge builds trust and makes people way more likely to call your business instead of the competitor below you without it. With traditional Google ads, you can still target by keywords and location, but you'll often get clicks from people who are just browsing or price shopping, not necessarily ready to hire. So reason number three is that with Google local service ads, your placement definitely wins attention because the Google local service ads appear above Google ads and above organic results. You're literally at the very top of the search results page. That prime position means more visibility, more clicks, more calls, and ultimately more paying customers and higher perceived authority. Reason number four, lower cost per customer. Because you're paying for verified leads instead of random clicks, your cost per customer is usually lower, especially in competitive local markets where click prices can get pretty high. And if you optimize your Google local service ads correctly, you can dominate that top spot in your area and outshine your competitors. And you can keep your lead pipeline full without spending more money. If you want our team to help you figure out exactly how Google local service ads can work for your business and even set them up and manage them for you, just text the word audit to 619-304-5155 or visit accelerateyourmarketing.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.